Hey guys, welcome back. It's been a while since I've been on YouTube, and I just wanted to share with you guys some of the changes I'm making to the trailer. Nothing huge, just some painting and customizing. Today I'm going to be doing some of the work in the back, in the kitchen area. We're going to paint the walls and add a backsplash at a later date. I'm back.
Why is your insulation showing?
That's garage insulation. It's not important. It's not important.
Oh, that can't be the trailer.
No, that's the wall. I don't know how this thing will look, man.
What color? It's like a beige.
Well, this is just a primer because this wall is like
Dark.
some ugly wallpaper. It's like
Wallpaper?
it's like the trailer wallpaper.
And you can't take it out?
No, it's like permanent. It's annoying.
Well, at
Yeah.
least you're doing something with yourself.
You should see the inside of the house.
Unlike me.
You should see the inside of the house, and I'm sitting out here doing this. The inside of the house has Rue hair flowing all over the place like tumbleweed. Yep.
Then I don't feel so bad.
No. I was sitting out here since 11.
You don't have people watching?
I don't know.
Mind your people's business?
I set up the trailer and I didn't do nothing, and then I'm like, well, should do something now. Or I shove it back inside. I don't know. Now I seem to be painting the grout. How'd this go look? Me no know, man. Alright, so I got the paint on the walls, the primer on the walls of the trailer. I had to use a variety of different brushes because they're a very interesting part of the trailer. It kind of like angles down and then the cupboards kind of jut out, and it's kind of challenging to paint. So I got the primer on, I'm letting it dry, and then I just thought I'd come inside and have something to eat because I didn't eat anything this morning. I just woke up and said, hey, I'm gonna paint the trailer, and I pulled the trailer up, and then I got super lazy because the sun was out and I was enjoying myself. I took Amelia out, the bird, the cat, everybody, and we were enjoying ourselves, and then I finally decided, all right, I'm gonna paint it. And yeah, so now I'm just having a break while the paint dries, and I'll see if I go back out today, or maybe I will go back out tomorrow. All right, take care, see you guys. Hey guys, welcome back. So I didn't get to show you the end result of the paint job yesterday. It got dark and it got cold, and then I ended up putting the trailer back inside, and then I was caught up with a phone call. So I will show you that today. I'm just gonna have some breakfast. I've got my iPad set up here. I'm gonna watch some of my favorite YouTube people. Amelia and Rue are hanging out with me, and then once I'm done here, I'll take you to the back and show you what I've done. All right, see you in a bit.
Big beast inside the ambulance. Oh, looks a whole lot better. We got a whole ton of that glue off.
All right, here it is. So I ended up going with a yellow color on both sides, and I must say, I'm not sure how I feel about this. I've only seen the color in the garage under this white light. So I don't know if it's giving it this, I don't know, if it's actually true to what the color is. I guess on some level it is. But yeah, I was kind of toying with doing a blue color, like what I did with the inside, or maybe that beige color that I did on the back wall. But I didn't actually have exterior paint. So I had to go to the store and buy exterior paint because, you know, this is open to the elements, sun, heat, rain, all that kind of stuff. And I wanted to make sure that it would last. So I ended up going with the yellow color because I thought, oh, yellow would look really nice and it would complement this backsplash. And so I do like it over here, like when I do this, but I'm not sure how it's going to look overall. So once I get the backsplash up, I'm going to come back and look at it and see if I want to change it, but I probably won't change it this year if I don't end up liking it. just because I don't want to do this again. Not right now anyways. But yeah, so this is kind of what it looks like. You can see, oh, you got my shadow in there. All right, the backsplash, I had to order more. There was only 4 sheets in the package that I got, and I needed some more. So I've ordered a few more packages, and that'll come this week, and then I'll put that in, and then I'll show you the overall